It is now up to the Chilean government to decide whether those suspected to be responsible for the thousands of cases of torture, murder, and disappearance that took place during his time in power will ever face a court of justice. The Chilean government must now live up to its commitment to ensure that those accused of crimes against humanity be tried in Chile in trials meeting international standards of fairness. The Chilean authorities are under an obligation to remove the legal obstacles that have made justice impossible within Chile and which have secured impunity, denying truth and justice to the victims of human rights violations and to their relatives.
We have Ken to
So
say something.
Ken will obviously someone who has some star power to help out in that regard, but this means rewriting all this about this, and of course the timing on that is good. But when
there's not a great likelihood that he's going to be brought to account, but this is a fight that needs to be carried out. I mean, we cannot give up on trying to prosecute Pinochet, because his example, the example that we have managed to get with Pinochet now, is taking root in other places in the world. So Hissène Habré is being indicted in Senegal because of human rights atrocities. It's exactly on the same principle that Pinochet has been indicted. We need to push to come to a fair conclusion, to a just conclusion in this case. If he cannot defend himself, then he doesn't need to be tried. It doesn't make any sense. But if he can defend himself, he's got to appear before the court of law, and he has to be accountable for his crimes. There are real investigations now in Chile, and there is a very powerful, very committed human rights movement who wants to bring Pinochet to account. So we are going to support them. We are going to support them.